Now, we will explore the solar system with a story. Billions of years ago, in a quiet corner of the galaxy, a giant cloud of gas and dust began to collapse under its own gravity. That collapse lit a spark, a star was born. We call it the Sun, and everything in our solar system was shaped by that one fiery beginning. Now, around that powerful Sun, the planets began to form, each taking its place like dancers around a central flame. The closest one, Mercury, ended up in the hottest seat. It's small, rocky, and spins around the Sun at lightning speed like it's trying to escape the heat but never can. Mercury doesn't have much of an atmosphere, so it gets scorched on one side and frozen on the other. It's a planet of extremes, like the solar system's sprinter. Next comes Venus, Earth's mysterious twin. She's about the same size, but completely different in personality. Venus wears a thick blanket of toxic clouds, trapping heat so well that it's even hotter than Mercury. You can't see her surface, and she spins the opposite way from most other planets slowly, like she's dancing to her own rhythm. Some say she's the solar system's secret keeper. Then there's Earth, our beautiful, blue home. Earth is just the right distance from the Sun, not too hot and not too cold. That perfect spot is what lets life thrive here. Earth is alive in a way no other planet we've seen is breathing, growing, changing. And with Earth comes the Moon, our constant companion, quietly shaping our tides and keeping our rhythm. Mars follows, and he's like Earth's older, quieter sibling. Red, dusty, and dry, but with signs that he once had rivers and maybe even lakes. He's been through a lot. Scientists think he lost his protective atmosphere long ago, which turned him from a once active planet into the silent desert world we see today. But who knows, Mars might not be done dreaming yet. As we move farther from the Sun, we leave the rocky planets behind and enter the realm of the giants. First is Jupiter, the biggest of them all. A gas giant with no solid surface, Jupiter is like the protector of the solar system. His gravity is so strong, he pulls in comets and asteroids that might otherwise crash into the inner planets. His famous red spot? That's a storm bigger than Earth, and it's been dragging for centuries. Orbiting just beyond is Saturn, the elegant one. His rings are what most people remember, but Saturn is more than his jewelry. He's a peaceful giant, with dozens of moons, including Titan, a moon so special it has lakes and a thick atmosphere. If Jupiter is the warrior, Saturn is the poet, calm, composed, but full of depth. Then comes Uranus, the oddball. He spins on his side, literally tipped over like he rolled into the solar system instead of walking in. He's cold and pale blue, and though he doesn't make much noise, scientists think there's something wild happening beneath his quiet clouds. He reminds us that even planets can be different in surprising ways. And finally, Neptune, the farthest known planet from the Sun. He's deep blue, cold, and mysterious. But don't mistake that distance for stillness. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, faster than the speed of sound. It's like he's whispering secrets from the edge of space. And out beyond Neptune is Pluto, once called the ninth planet, now known as a dwarf planet. But names don't matter as much as stories, and Pluto still holds one. He and many other icy worlds drift in the Kuiper Belt, a region full of ancient, frozen relics from the solar system's early days. So when you look up at the night sky, remember this: the solar system isn't just a collection of planets spinning in space. It's a family. Each world has its own character, its own journey, but all of them are connected by the Sun's gravity and a shared cosmic origin. Together, they tell the story of how chaos turned into order, and how out of stardust came a place where life could wander about the stars. Thanks for watch. Like, subscribe and share the video.